What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new AJ1 Low Bred Toe. Let's get into it. First, you got your normal AJ1 Low box. It's all black with your gold Jumpman on the top of the box. You got your gold Jumpman on this side of the box, and then when you go to the front of the shoe box, you got the 23 right here, and then on the tag it reads AJ1 Low GS for grade school, size 6Y, and they retail for $75. Let's get into it. All right, we're gonna open up this box. They all look the same on the inside with your normal AJ1 Low box. You got your white tissue paper with your brown background in the back. We're gonna open it up, see what we got on the inside. We're gonna pull out these nice shoes. It also comes with a Jordan sticker symbol that's all gold that it comes on the inside of the boxes. Let's put this to the side and get to this shoe. This is the AJ1 Low Bred Toe. 360. All right, this right here, they came out a couple weeks ago, or they restocked a couple weeks ago. I didn't hit on a restock on sneakers as usual, but I got lucky going into my local DTRL. Walked in there today, they were sitting on the shelf, so of course I had to grab me a pair because I had been wanting them, but I just wasn't able to cop them because they were been sold out everywhere for some reason. But and the retail price is ridiculous. I'm not gonna pay those resale prices that they got going on for this shoe right now. So I was happy to be able to pay the normal $75 for the GS size, and that's all I was willing to pay for these. So I was excited to be able to walk in there and pick these on up. But yeah, enough of rambling about how I got them. Let's get into the shoe. First, you got your red toe box that's in leather. You got your black going around the red toe box, going around the shoe. You got your black Nike check with your white leather right here on the side. You come with your standard black laces. No extra laces come with it. They're all black. With the tongue, it's all black with the white Jumpman symbol on the top. The inside is all black, and then you got your white Jumpman symbol on the inside of the shoe. You got your all red bottoms, and then you got the back of the shoe that comes with this white Air Jordan stitching. It just says Air Jordan with the ball and the wings on it. Yeah, and then it's all red leather going around the back of the shoe. This was a nice simple shoe that I like. I had the Bred Toe ones, patent leathers, but I just like how these lows look. I'm a low top person. Of course, I got the highs, but I like the lows. These right here was just a perfect shoe to have. No complaints. Quality control on them. I look pretty good. I don't see too many issues except for this got a little bit of wax. I mean, not wax. A little bit of glue going on right here, but that's not too bad. Other than that, the shoe looks perfectly fine. Can't complain for a $75 shoe, which is also a Jordan. Let's get into the left shoe. It looks the same side, same way as the other one. You got your white going all the way around the shoe, your red bottoms, and then on the top of your toe, you got your red leather toe box with the black leather going around. You got your white leather right here with your black Nikes check going on the side of the shoe. Come with the black laces, no extra laces. And then you got your tongue with the Jordan symbol, white Jordan symbol on the tongue. And then also on the back of the shoe, you got your Air Jordan with the wings and the white stitching. But yeah, this shoe was a shoe that I really wanted for some reason. I just like this colorway. I mean, you can't go wrong with the Bred colorway. I mean, goes pretty much with everything you have. I just liked it at the point that it was a low. I mean, I know it's not the low with the Nike Air right here. It's the long tongue. I mean, everybody don't like the long tongue, but me, I don't care. I just like the way the shoe looks, so I don't care about the tongues or what people say. If I like the shoe, hey, I'm gonna buy it. So these right here was it for me. I was glad to be able to pay that retail price of $75. I wasn't trying to pay no resale for these, and yeah, this was just a nice simple pickup for me. I mean, I got that, like I said, I got the high patent breds, but I was like, I need something else that's just something more simple to just throw on and go. And these right here were the ones. Yeah, that's all I got really on these right here. It's just a nice simple black and red white shoe. Pretty much goes with everything. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the AJ1 Low Breds. Did you try to cop them when they came out, or did you pass, or have you even got lucky on these restocks? they seem to restock every day, but I don't even be able to hit on none of them. So I was like, man, I was just surprised that I walked into the DTRL, seen them sitting on the shelf. I know they probably gone by now, but yeah, I just got lucky, so I had to go on and scoop them up. But yeah, that's all I got. This is the AJ1 Low Bred Toe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Continue to go ahead and like and continue to subscribe to your girl. Go and hit that notification bell for whenever I post these reviews, and y'all let me know how I'm doing. And continue to follow me on Instagram at sneakermom1721. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Y'all let me know any questions y'all got. I'm gonna answer them. But guess what? Until the next time, it's your girl Sneaker Mom. Peace.